Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. So today we want to look at passing chord, okay, in the key of F. So if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it, okay? So let's dive into today's lesson, okay? So in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 1. This helps you to play in other keys, okay? So let's dive in. I want to show you a movement, but before I show you the movement, I want to show you the song that we are about to apply this particular passing chord to, okay? So all of us know they are new every morning, okay? New every morning. Let me show you the move that I want to show you, okay? So it goes like this. Alright? So firstly, I have the A and the D on the left. Then I'll flip from the C sharp to the D, okay? So like this. Then I'll use my thumb to hit the F sharp. Okay, so like this. Okay, one more time. Okay, slowly. Then I'll do this. Okay. Then I did this. Okay. One more time. They are new every morning. New every morning. Great is thy faithfulness, O Lord. Great is thy faithfulness. They are new every morning. Great is thy faithfulness, O Lord. Great is thy faithfulness. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. More videos like this is coming your way, okay? I'll see you in another video. Bye.